What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be an update on my exhaust situation. If you saw my last video, I put the carbon exhaust tips on the car, and I alluded and showed some resonators I purchased. The tips kind of dirty at the moment, but I alluded to replacing the mid mufflers with something else. And I just got that done, so I'm going to go ahead and review what I did, show you the job, and then we'll play some exhaust clips and things like that, so you have an idea of the sound that it's now making. So there's the original muffler, one of them. Of course, there's two of them. That's been hacked off, and in its place a resonator has been welded in from Vibrant Performance, the 1142 Ultra Quiet. So I haven't seen the job yet. I had it done yesterday, and they were finished with the work by the time I went and picked up the car. So I actually haven't gone underneath the car and seen and observed the work that was done. So I'm going to do that now, and you're going to come along with me. So we get a first look on camera. Alright, now the car is secured with jack stands and a block. I'm going to crawl underneath here, see what we can see. Oh, jeez. Alright, so here's the new resonator where this factory muffler used to be. Looks pretty good. I'm not going to complain about anything I'm seeing here. Now, it did go from 3-inch. There's a 3-inch inlet and outlet back down to 2 3/4 for the exhaust. So there was a little bit of a step right there. But they're the resonators. They look nice and shiny compared to the rest of the exhaust. So they look good. Alright, well, you should always go back and look what other people did to your cars just to make sure you're happy with it. I would like to have been able to walk underneath the car when he was finished and taking a look at it, but that's okay. It's not I used a place that's been open for like 40 years, so I'm not worried about them not being there if I need to take it back for any fixes. So, but those look pretty good. So let's get the car back on the ground and give her a cold start, and then some sound clips of some flybys and some starts. Okay, now that we've seen the install of the resonators, let's do a cold start. This is gonna be the first cold start since the install. Car's been sitting almost 20 hours, so it should be a good representation what it sounds like. Pretty good. It's not that much louder, but it is definitely a little deeper. So, and based on what I've experienced so far, it definitely sounds different when you're driving, when you're giving it when you're in like track mode and giving it some gas. So let's I'm gonna roll in some clips now of some stops, some flybys, and things like that, just to give you an idea what it sounds like. Unfortunately, I didn't really get too much before footage, so this won't be a very good comparison video. Just more of a video to, you know, if you have one of these cars, you know what it sounds like. But just give you an idea of what it sounds like now. So. So that sounded awesome. That was way louder actually. I was a little concerned with that particular resonator I bought, the 1142 ultra quiet, that it wouldn't be, because it's pretty much similar shape and size of the factory muffler. But yeah, no, it actually did do a good job making it sound a lot louder. So I'm pretty happy about that.